All right, boys and girls, today's lesson is lesson 2-7, and we're going to practice with word problems using 6s, 7s, and 8s. So let's get right to it, because I want to kind of get through this lesson quickly so it gives you some time to catch up on all the workbook pages you might have fallen behind on in Unit 2. So let's start with number 1. It says, write an equation and solve the problem. Terry counted 32 legs in the lion house. How many lions were there? Okay, so there are 32 legs. So there's ways you could do this. You could just write out 32 little stick figures like to represent legs. But what you need to know, there's something you must know in order to solve this. And obviously, being third graders, you all know that lions, most lions, because I'm sure there's some lions out there that don't have 4 legs, but most of all, most lions have 4 legs. So if there's 32 legs, you would eventually divide it by 4. Because it's 32 legs divided by 4 legs per lion to get you n, and n would equal 8 lions. Because 8 lions with 4 legs gives you 32 legs. Number 2, Kyle saw 9 ladybugs while he was camping. Each ladybug had 6 legs. How many legs did the 9 ladybugs have in all? Okay, well there's 9 ladybugs, and they each have 6 legs. So you don't add, because that'd be 9 plus 6 is 15. That doesn't make any sense. You're going to take your 9 ladybugs multiplied by 6 legs per ladybug equals, we'll do L for ladybug. So L would equal 54 ladybugs. I want you to do 3 and 4 on your own, and then unpause it. Or pause it, then unpause it when you're done. Alright, so hopefully you got this right. It says Adam walks 3 miles a day. How many miles does he walk in a week? There's something you must know already, that there are 7 days in a week. And if he's walking 3 miles each day, that means he's walking 3 times 7 days would equal D for days. I don't know why I did days, I should have M for miles, no big deal. Doesn't really matter what you do. So D equals 21 miles. That's how much he walks in a whole week, which is good. That's a lot of miles for Adam. Next one. Nancy's dog, Rover, eats 6 cups of food a day. In 8 days, how many cups of food does Rover eat? Okay, hopefully you see where we're going with this one. Hopefully you knew that it was multiplication, 6 cups each day for 8 days. So 6 times 8 days would equal D. D equals 48 cups. Okay, we'll do 5 and 6 together. The school library has 72 books on the topic of weather. If 8 students shared the books equally, how many books would each student receive? Okay, when you hear shared equally, it's almost always division. Okay, you're dividing up the books equally. So it's 72 divided by 8 would equal B for books, and each student would have 9 books. Number 6, the 42 trumpet players in the marching band lined up in 6 equal rows. How many trumpet players were in each row? Okay, this is an array. Okay, you have the product and you have one of the factors. Okay, so equal rows, when you hear stuff like that, equal rows, and they give you the total, and they told of all of them, and then they tell you how much is in one row. It's always division for that way. If you have 6 equal rows with this many people in each row, how many trumpet players do you have? Then it's multiplication. In this case, it's 42 divided by 6 equals, let's go P, and P would equal 7 players. All right. So let's kind of look over the second page. This lesson is going to be pretty short because I want you to get caught up on some things. This is going to be the same type of stuff we were just doing. So I'm going to do one. I'll probably just do one with you, and I'm just going to kind of send you off to have you finish this up and then finish up any pages in Unit 2 that you haven't done yet. It says, write an equation to solve the problem. Susan is having a party. She has 18 cups. She puts them in 6 equal stacks. How many cups are in each stack? Okay, if she has 18, that's your total. That's all the cups she has. She puts them in 6 stacks. So how many cups are in each stack? This is clearly a division problem. Remember, when you have the product, when you have the total already, you're not multiplying because you're going to have some big number. I think it comes out to 104. So 108. You don't want that. So we're going to do 18 divided by 6 equals C, and C would equal 3 cups. If this is easy to you, that's good, because this isn't supposed to be easy. But if it's easy to you, that means you've been doing a really, really good job in here. If it's hard for you, you're probably still doing a really, really good job in here. It's just that we're not quite there yet, and it's fine, because we're at less than 7 in Unit 2. We have ways to go. Hopefully this is clicking with you a little bit quicker than it has been, and I guarantee it has, because meeting with you in a small group, I know it's coming to you quicker. So finish this page, go back and finish any pages in Unit 2 only, and then in small group we'll talk about some more of these problems together.